So now what we're doing is we're putting that nifty lick into the song while, oh my gosh, we're going to be singing at the same time. So it can't be so hard that we run out of bandwidth. So we've got to find a way to fit it all together so our brains don't explode. So here's what we're going to do. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. So let's do that together, just that part. I'm going to slow it way, way, way down. Because you remember, to practice smart, play it really slow. Yeah, all right. So 1, 2, 3. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. All right, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to put the intro and stanza 1 together, because with the intro, the way that I wrote it, we've got a measure C, a measure of F, a measure of C, a measure of F. So let me just show you that intro. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we sing, I got sunshine. So we're going to get a lot of that lick in. All right. By the way, for our drum machine aficionados out there, this is a slow rock pattern, 81. That's what I've got on my Alesis SR18, and I'm doing it at 80 beats per minute. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. F, strum the C, and sing. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl. And we threw in Jim's idea there with the my girl, my girl, my girl. We're doing a C to an E to a G, all within the C chord. Woohoo!